Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set message on your lock screen on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Login or lock screen message could serve several purposes. For example, having macOS display your contact details after it boots could help someone return your device if it goes missing. Also, if multiple people use your Mac, especially in a public or office setting, you could present instruction that explains how to log into your Mac OS. So how to do it? As you can see first on my lock screen on MacBook, there's no message on the lock screen. Now, what if you want to add message on it? It's so simple. So you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook and go to security and privacy. On security and privacy, there is an option show a message. You can edit by open the lock in here. You can enter your MacBook password. Now you can just checklist on it and you can set the lock message in here. Maybe for the example, you can write any message on it. Maybe for the example, we'll just write like this for the lock message. Like this. Now after that, you can just click on OK. You can lock it again. And now let's see the lock screen. So here's the result. As you can see, here's the message that we just write. It's so simple, right? So that is how to set message for lock screen on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.